We're gathered here with our hearts full of sorrow, but yet gratitude. Sorrow for the loss of Jeff, Amber, and Shiloh, but the gratitude of the love, the joy, and the hope they brought to each one of our lives.
It was a heartbreaking loss that shook the Kingwood and rodeo communities. A beloved family taken far too soon in the Hill Country flooding.
Yeah, tonight those who knew and loved Jeff, Amber, and Shiloh Wilson sharing memories and leaning on their faith.
Katira Winfrey joins us live from the Humble Civic Center, where the funeral service for the Wilson family was held earlier today. Katira.
Well, Lynn and Mia, you get a sense of how this loss impacted this community. The Humble Civic Center was packed with people coming to give their final farewell to the Wilson family or the Wilson Three. Now, some of the things that stood out just listening to the service was this family's love and the faith. Now, during the service, the family's commitment to one another took center stage, with Jeff always standing by Shiloh's side at each rodeo participation, cheering him on as he raced through the chute. They also spoke on Amber's unwavering commitment in the stands, the North Star for Jeff and Shiloh to be able to look up and see. A story was shared where Shiloh's trunk was found after the Kerr County flooding tragedy. They found his 2 Bibles inside. They say he, at 12 years old, carried those Bibles everywhere. So those who spoke today don't want to look at this as a loss, look at this loss as the end, but rather a new chapter.
In this moment, we can all grieve the loss of these amazing people. And we can also celebrate the amazing, almost indescribable, incredible people that the Wilson Three were. There are no magic pills or formulas that make grief go away. We don't just get better one day and it all passes from our existence.
And the family will be laid to rest in a private burial ceremony in the coming days. Reporting live in Humble, Katira Winfrey, KHOU 11 News.
May that family rest in heaven. Katira Winfrey, thank you.